is a painful and sad news for the entire school managements that what happened in Nalgonda district. We are teachers. We build the future generations. So respect all the teachers. Our heartfelt and deepest condolences to Srimati K. Dubareddy Garu. We are praying for you.
This incident reminds us that discipline, good values, and respect for teachers and parents are very important in our life.
I advise my students to be sincere, follow the school rules.
ఇది గురు శిష్యుల సంబంధానికే సిగ్గుచేటు లాంటి విషయం. ఇది మీరు చదువుతో పాటు క్రమశిక్షణను తప్పకుండా నేర్చుకోవాలి.
The students are growing in such an environment like the social media is influenced a lot, and the technology, we are thinking like technology day by day is growing, but the child is not accompanied by the proper guidance, the suggestions, and he is neglected completely emotionally, I thought.
Respect the teachers and elders. So teachers are not just your enemies. So
बड़े होके टीचर्स को याद नहीं करेंगे, मगर हमारी दी हुई पढ़ाई लिखाई हर चीज़ आपको याद रखेंगे. आप टीचर्स जो भी आपको बोले वो आपके अच्छाई के लिए है, इसलिए आप ऐसा कोई भी काम मत करिए, क्योंकि आपको देख के और बच्चे भी इंस्पायर होकर वो लोग भी कुछ गलत कदम उठाने से उनका फ्यूचर हर चीज़ लॉस हो जाता है.
Don't take any kind of sudden decisions to what we heard yesterday. That is not good to the society also.
Careful children, don't do such things. Very bad. The students are behaving like that. You have to follow the instructions of the teacher.
अध्यापक आपकी वृद्धि ही चाहते हैं, इसलिए
To the teachers you are not the enemies. To the teachers you are all not the enemies.
Every student must obey the elders what they are saying. If it is in a good manner, then they should follow that. If it is bad one, they have to discuss with anyone who may guide them.
పిల్లలందరూ ఉపాధ్యాయులు చెప్పే విషయాలను మంచిగా విని అర్థం చేసుకొని వాళ్ళు చెప్పే రూల్స్ని చక్కగా పాటించాలి.
we are giving teachers a backbone for you to make you to develop in your life and backbone for you to grow up and study in your career.
Don't take sudden decisions and don't take out of anger. Please listen parents and elders words, obey.